Well, hello and welcome to 6948 Blacksmith Court here in sunny Las Vegas. I'm going to take you on a tour of this property. It's almost done being rehabbed, so you might see a few people inside. They're having a powwow about what to do, so just a heads up there. Great location on this property, on the end of a cul-de-sac. Great pool in the backyard. You're about to see it. Let's do that. Let's walk around the outside first. Everyone's still on the inside. The outside still has a lot of originality. Huge backyard, which is rare for Las Vegas. Covered patio, dual fans. Up on the roof is a practically brand new HVAC unit. And you pretty much got a new roof to go with it. There's a above ground spa in here that's enclosed. And here's our pool. Again, nice size pool. All right. And let's just take it back around the front. Let's take a step in the garage. Brand new water heater. And as we walk in, you're going to see brand new floors. Front entry. And let's just come on down here towards the hall, down the hallway. Hallway bath. Got new countertops. New paint, new floor. Third bedroom. And every bedroom's got a ceiling fan in it. Number 2. And it has that same new paint, new flooring. Master's right here. And again, there's someone cleaning the master bathroom, but it looks great in there too, so I'm going to just avoid that. Then here's the rest. All new kitchen appliances. All right, y'all, that'll do it for our tour.